Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your project's budget using Quick Gantt Chart, both manually and with automatic calculations based on assigned resources. Let's start by looking at how to manage budgets manually. Quick Gantt Chart supports project budgeting by allowing you to estimate and track costs directly in the task list. To get started, open your project settings and go to the Visible Columns section. Make sure that budget and actual cost columns are enabled. Once visible, you can enter estimated and actual costs for each task manually. This lets you plan your budget in the budget column and track real expenses in the actual cost column. If a task is completed as planned, you can click the checkmark button in the actual cost cell to automatically copy the estimated value from the budget column. For summary tasks, both budget and actual cost values are calculated automatically based on their subtasks. You can change this behavior by going to the project settings and unchecking some budget from subtasks or some actual cost from subtasks. At the bottom of the Gantt chart, you'll see total values for budget and actual cost. These totals update automatically whenever you filter the Gantt view, giving you a quick summary of the visible portion of your project. Now let's explore how to calculate budgets automatically based on assigned resources. To do that, open the project settings and enable Auto Budget Calculation. Once this option is active, the Resources table shows two extra columns. Resource cost type, whether the cost is per hour, per item, or a fixed value. Cost, the actual cost assigned to each resource. Let's go ahead and define the cost type and rate for each resource in the Resource Manager. Here's how the calculation works. Per hour, the cost is based on the task duration in hours multiplied by the hourly rate. Per item, the cost is the number of units times the cost per item. You can define the quantity per task in the budget pop-up. Cost, a fixed value is applied each time the resource is assigned. Once the resource costs are set, Quick Gantt Chart automatically calculates and fills in the budget column for each task. To review or fine-tune those values, click the Budget field to open the pop-up editor. Here, you'll see a cost breakdown by resource and can make adjustments if needed. By default, per hour uses the task's actual duration. Per item assumes a quantity of 1. Cost uses the predefined fixed amount from the Resource Manager. If you modify any value, it's shown in bold, and you can reset it at any time using the Reset to Default button. After confirming, the adjusted value is shown in the budget column. Even when using Auto Budget Calculation, you can still manually enter your own numbers. If you do, a pen icon appears to indicate that the value was changed. To return to automatic mode for that task, simply open the pop-up and click OK. The program will recalculate the cost using your current resource settings. So, to sum up, Quick Gantt Chart gives you full control over project budgeting, whether you prefer to set costs manually or use automatic estimates based on resource data. You can estimate costs, track actual spending, and fine-tune your plan using flexible tools that adapt to the needs of your project, no matter the size. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll explore how to customize the Gantt chart view to fit your workflow.